is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Thailand. So the entire time I've been in Pattaya, I've essentially heard from people mostly on the outside looking in. I get comments all the time saying, oh, well, Pattaya is just one big party. If you don't party, if you don't want to go to the clubs, if you don't want to chase girls, there's not a lot to do. Well, is that true? In today's video, we're discussing if you want to come to Pattaya for whatever reason, maybe it's cheaper to live here, big reason why I'm here, or whatever it may be, and you're not really interested in that side of the Pattaya entertainment, are you still gonna have stuff to do? Is it still worth it? Is it still fun? Let's talk about it. Well, luckily for me and you, hopefully, today's video, we can kind of kill two birds with one stone. This is something that I've been wanting to and really needing to do for the past few weeks. And that is, you know, I think no matter where you are, no matter what you're doing, you gotta take time to do the things that you wanna do. Me, with this channel and living in Thailand, it's all everything that I wanted it to be, right? At least with me, I don't know if it's the same for everybody. No matter what I'm doing, if that's all that I'm doing, and I'm not taking time to focus on having fun or relaxing or just getting a break from anything, I can experience burnout. So I do think it's really important to take breaks, whatever your break may be. Maybe it's just chilling at home for the day. Maybe it's getting out and about and doing some stuff. For me, personally, it's getting out and about. So I can kind of double dip today. I'm taking you with me. We're gonna have kind of a self-care day. We're gonna go have some fun. We're gonna go do at least one thing that is one of, if not my favorite thing to do of all time. So we're gonna take care of that. The second thing, I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to do it today. I'm pretty sure we can though. All right, guys, we have made it over here to Pattaya Kart Speedway. This is not sponsored in any way, but if you are a fan of go-karts, there's a few different tracks in Pattaya. There's a new one right here on Thepprasit. I'm pretty sure this is the oldest one, and then there is one down at Bali High Pier where all the boats go to Koh Lan and everything. I haven't done the new one on Thepprasit, but that is the same company that has the one on the pier. I've done that one before. Nice track. It's still a good time, but me personally, I like this one. It is the older two-stroke karts. If you don't know what that means, essentially they're faster for the most part. They've got three different tiers. They've got novice, they've got mid-tier, and then they've got fast karts. Even for me, who's somewhat of a speed demon, I like the medium tier, still plenty fast enough. This is a cool track. It is very fairly priced. I'm a big fan of motorsports in general, but karting especially, I had a friend growing up that's kind of what he and his family did, and I was always super jealous because unfortunately, it's a very expensive sport to be involved in. So now that I'm grown and get to decide where I want to kind of waste my money, for lack of a better term, I like go-karts. So this is a super fun track. We're gonna go get geared up. They've got helmets and everything here. If you don't have one, I like to use my own for obvious reasons. So let's go get geared up, go pick a kart. Let's go have some fun. Okay, that is a wrap. Got some hot laps in. If you've never driven go-karts, especially faster ones like this, there's no suspension, there's no power steering. So if you can't tell, I'm a bit sweaty. It's a workout, but I was on track. I was the fastest person on track in my same cart. So like I said, I get the mid-tier cart. The guys that were out before me were in the fast carts, and they are just too fast for my skill level. So I stick to the mid-tier carts, got a few passes in, so I still got it. But price-wise, it ranges anything from like 300 to 500 baht, depending on which cart you get. I know they offer some discounts for like checking in on Facebook. I think they do group discounts if you want to come with a bunch of your friends. But it's cheap. It's rarely ever crowded. There's usually only a few other people here, which is nice because the track is pretty small. And if you go to the big crowded tracks, it would be hard to get in full laps just because there's a lot of people. But good time. That's just the first thing on our list of our self-care day. Man, it's funny how after getting out of that little short cart, even my tiny little Grom felt monstrous on the road. I smoked my elbow on the exhaust getting out of the cart, so something to watch out for. But I'm starving. I'm gonna get some lunch, maybe take a little nap. I don't know about you guys, but those carts kill me. Like, it just sucks the life out of me. And then we're gonna go to one of, if not my favorite places in Pattaya. It's for sure my favorite of this type of places, if that makes any sense. I need a nap. So it is the next day now. I had plans to go to the Tempus night market here in Pattaya last night, but it rained, and a lot of the times, even if it rains for a while and then stops raining, a lot of people don't go to work in the markets. I drove by and there was pretty much nobody there. So I'll go tonight just to eat some food and hang out, but I wanted to make sure I could get this video up for you guys. I just hope this video kind of helps anybody who might be thinking about moving to Pattaya and they're like, oh, well, I don't really party a lot, or maybe I'm a bit older and I'm not really interested in hanging out with girls, whatever. That there's still plenty of other stuff to do here. There's tons of golf, there's tons of outside stuff to do. You can go play golf, you can go fishing, you can go diving, you can go race go-karts like I did. So there is still a lot to do. But if you are on the other side of that and you want to party and go live that life, then you're also good. Thank you for watching. If you've made it this far, I'm assuming you liked the video. And if you did, go down, show the like button a little bit of love, and I will catch you in the next one.